Kuya. Gigil.
First meal here in Hong Kong.
Kuya, come on. Takot siya eh. Sige, kailang una-una ba ano kasi kami nakaupo eh. Sila dalawa hindi.
Kailan are you
Kasi
happy?
parang sobrang pantay niya. Parang hindi totoo.
Si
Kasi ito
Enzo ba?
nakapagpundukin eh. Tapos biglang ganyan.
Tired.
Pero na lang kung pinatay niya. Pero parang hindi.
We're here at Hollywood Hotel. Holy. Happy ka? We're going to swim.
Kahit swimming.
Enzo, say hi.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hi, kuya.
Hi. Hi.
How about you? Enzo. Enzo, Enzo.
Hindi, wala. Ito pizza naman kailangan yan.
Hi, guys. How was it?
Loko to si Eddie, oh.
Wake up!
Loko to. Nagising yung kuya niya, oh.
talaga gumana ni Enzo.
Saan kayo nag-
Oh, Iron Man.
No, can't kill Minnie Mouse. I'm here.
The boo.
What can you say?
Minnie Mouse na tumaba.
No.
Ito lang hindi namin, no? Sa'yo kasi kami tatawag.
Hala, hindi sila masaya. Yeah, okay na.
Ang serious ni Enzo.
Tara na. Bypass natin.
Look at the line over there. So long. Hey! Pati ng baby.
Matthew is buying a souvenir or souvenirs. This is our merienda.
Can I go?
Wag naman si Matthew.
Ako muna.
Crispy chicken sausage.
Sausage mo.
Well, it's just...
Ayaw po tayo.
Ako isa yun. Okay na.
Nakatay ko eh. Who's this Gegen?
Is it this guy? What?
This one.
The host.
This one.
Iron Man.
Spider-Man.
Iron Man.
Ito. Ito si Iron Man.
Ando pa rin si Iron Man.
Okay, okay, let's eat.
This one?
Oh, what's that?
We're eating Iron Man.
Yummy?
Orange juice. Ano siya? Parang royal.
That's yours.
Do you like it? Yeah. How does it taste? Yeah? Chicken? Of course, it's chicken.
Saan ba napunta yung double patty? Double patty ba? Double patty pala lahat.
Sige po, ako na po mag-ano. Ako na po mag-ano nito. Sige, pasok po.
Okay.
Okay, what will you say to your
Thank you.
10-year-old self? I have fun when I was 4. Oh. Like that.
I had fun when I was 4.
Enzo, show tata your badge. Binigyan ka ng Mickey Mouse, diba?
I don't have any.
You don't have any? How about Enzo?
Yes, yes.
Wow, ikaw lang may ganyan. Okay. Ayan guys. Tingin. To our new hotel, Hotel Bravo. Okay. Look guys, yan yung struggle. We have 5 luggages and 2 strollers and 2 makukulit boys. Yes. But then, and the birthday boy.
Survive.
Yes, survive.
Survive.
Grabe. Ano masasabi mo, Ede? Thank you! Bye-bye!
Open. Pag in-open ko, mag-walk pa lang ha. Walang karga ha. Walang karga. Hindi ka kargahin ni daddy.
Okay.
Hindi ka kargahin ni mami.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sige, titingnan natin mamaya, ha? Tingnan natin. So, this is our first time. Ay, sorry, hurry up. Riding the MTR. What can you say, Kegen?
What?
Say thank you. Hi. Oops.
And East Railway. Doors will open from the left.
Oh. Ganda? Bilhin nyo yan. Bilhin nyo. Sige, pumili kayo. Damihan nyo pa. Kita. Okay. Smile ka kasi bibilang ka ng taxi. Oh, smile, smile. You know. Okay. Bili ka na taxi. Car? Car. You want car? You want car? Oh, what do you like? Again.
Having guy.
Haben car?
Bakal.
Guys, nakuha na niya yung, ebigay yung car niya. Aben car. Oh, show. What's that, Enzo?
Having guy.
Hong Kong taxi ba?
Hong Kong taxi. Do you remember this?
Ayan. So, hindi nakakalimutan ng dalawang pinsan ni Gabi. Double-decker bus.
Gabi din.
Dubai Choco Crunch. Hey guys. Hala! Pusak na agad! Nawasak! Macholo yan! Wasak din niyo!
Yung isa kamay.
Hindi na niya kaya.
Bilis ka, nakakabili yung kamay mo.
Tayo na!
Halika na, bilis. We're going home. We're going to the hotel na. Hotel na tayo. Halika na, hotel na tayo.
Guys, ayun na siya.
Bilis, malapit na tayo.
It's me and Mar. Discussion. Our 4th day. Waiting for the bus. To Macau. This is another vlog.
Kano yan? 400 HKD? 490?
Huh?
490 HKD?
490 pesos yung...
Hindi, yung...
或者换成这种方法。
Oh, look at... Oh, Avencore. Avencore.
Hi, Macau.
My water bottle.
Hi guys, we're done eating. Alat ng mga pagkain. Lahat malat.
Ano yung MOP?
Money nila, instead na HKD, MOP naman. Ano? Yung money nila, MOP, di ba? MOP? Oo. MOP!
I know na currency.
Mode of payment daw.
Mode of payment.
Ang talino, kakabigscope mo yan eh. Ano po mode of payment nyo?
Sa wakas nakatikim na rin ako ng lutong Macau.
Alat.
Sir, pasok muna ka, sir. Hindi ko, kaya yun. Pasok kayo, sir. Pasok na yung ano, okay lang yun. Yung card.
Para mayroon ko na.
Dumihan sila sa ramo ko. Ito, sa i-check.
Oke, Bogi, salamat.
Pampas eh. Okay.
Dali na!
Come on. Come on, guys.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm still playing.
We're gonna miss the bus. Ikil.
Naiiwan na kami. Ito, papalik lang. Sorry guys. 4:30. Time check. Pabili ko hindi kami. Yes, nagmamadali na kasi kami. So, ang binook namin is yung Kotai water jet. And kami yung last. Guys, nagmadali kami kasi 4:30. Ano oras na kami? Locator Hector!
Oh no.
And so, pa. Food trip without the kids.
Ano, try ko ito.
And Liam. And
I'll try
Liam.
natin. Pasalubungan ko na siya. Kunti lang man yun.
Mango ba?
Okay lang.
Okay. Been there eh. Hi guys, this is the rooftop of our hotel in Hong Kong. It's Hotel Bravo. Yeah. Checking out. Hi. Okay. Bad trip ka guys. Bye-bye. While waiting guys, tulog na siya. Ganggang. Uy, sarap.
Bye, Hong Kong. With that.